Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to dispute a transaction on PayPal. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we first need to do is head on over to paypal.com and to log in. Now once you're logged into your account, we need to navigate to the Resolution Center to manage disputes, claims and chargebacks. Alright, so if you don't have a dispute section here, it is here at paypal.com/disputes/dashboard. Just go there. Not sure why they make it difficult to get to this section, but nonetheless we're here. So I'm in the help article in PayPal themselves. So we're at the Resolution Center here, as you can see. From here we need to select payment and click continue, then select the reason for your dispute, such as unauthorized activity in your PayPal account, issues with a purchase, etc. From there, select the option that best describes your issue and click continue. In a dispute, you can exchange messages with other party in your resolution center to try and solve that problem. And now if you're unable to settle the dispute, you can escalate it to a claim. So to escalate a dispute, we often require that at least 7 days have passed since the payment date. By escalating a dispute claim, you're asking PayPal to investigate and decide the outcome. A dispute will automatically close after 20 days unless it's been escalated. Closed disputes cannot be reopened or escalated to a claim. So I don't have anything active in my resolution center here, and I can't claim anything because I haven't made a purchase in quite some time. So yeah, that's basically a quick rundown of how to dispute a transaction on PayPal.